Hi there, welcome to this series of Hack the Math, where in this video, I'll be showing you a really cool trick which I call the 4S words, which you can use to sketch almost any graph in the world. Ready? Here goes. So this trick works really well for all graphs which are represented by y as a function of x. What this means is that for any x value on the graph, it can only be represented by one y value, as compared to certain graphs where they have two y values, in which case it will not work. Once you have established that the graph of y is a legitimate function of x, you'll quickly realize that there are only four places where you can put in numbers a, b, c, and d. In these cases, a is represented by the s word of stretch, b is represented by the s word of squeeze in the horizontal direction, c is represented by a shift in the horizontal direction, and D is represented by a shift in the up and down direction. The next thing you need to know are the various default graphs that you will be encountering in your secondary or high school education. For example, you have your x squared graph, your x graph, your cubic graph, your 1 over x, 1 over x squared, the trigonometry graphs like your sine x curve, the exponential curve, and the logarithmic curve. So now that you have seen the hack, how does it actually work? Take for example the graph of y equals to 3x cubed, where 3 corresponds to a stretch in the vertical direction. Watch how the graph of y equals to x cubed gets stretched one time and another time in the vertical direction to become more skinny. Now, let's look at the graph of y equals to e to the power of x plus 2, where plus 2 corresponds to a vertical shift upwards of 2 units. In this case, watch how the default curve shifts up by 1 and again by 1 more time to achieve its final form. But what if I have more than one variable to work with? In this example, y equals to sine 2x minus 1. I'll first start off by drawing my default sine curve. I next observe that the value of 2 corresponds to a B transformation of squeeze. This means that I have to draw in a curve with a squeeze factor of 2, as seen by the blue curve below. I next look at negative 1 and realize that it maps with the value of D, and that means I have to shift my whole graph downwards by the value of 1, leading to the red color curve shown below. In summary, this is how the 4S words work as a memory aid to help recall how any graph transformation where y equals to a function of x can be quickly sketched. I do hope you have found this useful, or at the very least, that this episode of Hack the Math has helped make the study of mathematics a little less miserable for you.